Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to change a light in a 2013 Ford Focus. I'm going to go right here. I want you to see this light. See how that water in there? So this light basically has a crack in it somewhere and it's water all in it. So I'm going to show you how to take this light out because I'm going to change it out. Alright. Probably helps to unlock the door. Go down and you're gonna pull this lever. And right here, up under here, see this little yellow latch? You're gonna pull this latch to the right, and then pull up the hood. Technically, you're just gonna pull it like that. Pull the hood up, and you're gonna get stick. Put the stick right here. Okay. All right, guys. So it's technically just two screws that holds this light in. It's a screw here, and it's a screw up here. They both are T30 Torx bits basically. I'm going to use the one that's in this drill. I'll take this one out first, and we're going to take this one out. That's how the screws look. So you can actually take it out with a flathead too. Okay, once you get the light loose, this part up here, there's a clip in there that holds the screw. You're gonna lift this black part up over that, then you're gonna grab this whole entire light and pull back towards you. Just kind of give it a little wiggle. There it is. So this whole light is out here, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna get you like a little flathead. There's a locking tab right here. This little locking tab. Basically, it's two ways you can do it. You can either stick it in here and pull back. Don't do it so hard that you break it, but pull back like that. Or you can stick it through here and pull back. However you want to. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, pull back on it. And while that's pulled back, you're gonna work this out. There you go. Okay. So just to show you, you're either gonna put it in here and pull back, or put it through here and pull back. However you want to. All right. So this light is loose. This light is out now. And if you flip this over, this little part right here slides under this right here. So basically, to put this light back in, first thing you would do is attach the cable back like that. I'm not going to snap it in because I'm going to change the light out, but I just want to show you. Snap that back. You're going to lay the light down. Lay the light down in like this. There you go. And then you're gonna, while it's like this, you're gonna push it in forward like that. Now, see it's in there. When I lift up on this won't come out because it's being held right here. Then you're gonna take the screws. And you're gonna put the screws right back in the same exact spot. Then you're gonna put one here. See that? That's how you take out the light and put your new light in. So guys, that's the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you can donate. Please check out the links in my description. A lot of the links are towards whatever I'm fixing on. So it's a lot of links in there, guys. Just make sure that you look around. This is JOATD.